Hi there, welcome to Storytime. I'm Miss Andrea, reading on behalf of the Clearview Library District. As always, before we read stories, we have to get our wiggles out. Can you stand up for me, please? I wiggle my fingers. I wiggle my toes. I wiggle my ears. And I wiggle my nose. I wiggle my shoulders. I wiggle my chin. I stretch my arms wide and I pull them back in. I wiggle my elbows. I wiggle my knees. I hop like a bunny. And I smile and say, cheese. Now I have no more wiggles left in me, and I'll sit on the floor as still as can be. Fantastic. We have a book today. It's by Zacharia, and it's called Stop Snoring, Bernard. What kind of animal is Bernard? Looks like an otter. Bernard loved living at the zoo. He loved mealtime and playtime, and best of all, nap time. What are the otters doing? They're sleeping, and otters like to hold hands while they sleep when they're floating in the water, and that way they don't all float away from each other. Pretty sweet. But there was one little problem. Bernard snored loudly. One afternoon at nap time, Grumpy Giles had had enough. Snore somewhere else, Bernard. Bernard tried sleeping in a lake, but that didn't work. Stop snoring, Bernard. Whoa. He tried sleeping in a fountain. But that didn't work either. Stop snoring, Bernard. He even tried sleeping in a puddle, but that really didn't work. What animal is this? Stop snoring, Bernard. Elephant, yeah. Bernard was very sad and lonely. He found a tucked away place, curled up by himself, and drifted off to sleep. Excuse me. The other otters missed Bernard. They searched for him all through the night. Bernard! Bernard! The next morning, Bernard woke up and saw hundreds of what on the ceiling? Bats. Excuse me, he said. How did you sleep with all my snoring? We didn't, replied a bat. We were out all night and now we're trying to sleep, so please don't snore here. Because bats are nocturnal, right? They sleep during the day and they're awake at night. Bernard felt terrible. There wasn't any place he could sleep without bothering somebody. He trudged towards the zoo gate. But then he heard something. It was the other otters. We couldn't sleep without you, said Grumpy Giles. I'm sorry, I yelled. Please come back. How does Bernard feel now? Happy. And from that day on, everyone napped happily. Well, almost everyone. Good night, Bernard. The end. Let's do a song about sleeping. So bunnies like to sleep too, so we'll do a song about sleeping bunnies. And how sleeping bunnies works is we'll get on the ground and pretend to be sleeping until I say wake up, and then we'll hop around until I say stop. So let's try it. Let's be sleeping. See the little bunnies sleeping till it's nearly noon. Shall we wake them with a merry tune? Oh, so still are they ill. Wake up, little bunnies. Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies, slicey stop. Let's try that again. Everyone be sleeping. See the little bunnies sleeping till it's nearly noon. Shall we wake them with a merry tune? Oh, so still are they ill. Wake up, little bunnies. Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies, slicing stop. Fantastic. Let's hop back to our seats. Can you show me your hands? All my fingers go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep. All my fingers go to sleep. Now wake up. Let's try that again. All my fingers go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep. All my fingers go to sleep. Now wake up. Fantastic. Some announcements about some programs coming up. We do have Steve Weeks live in concert. That will be on Zoom. So you can register for that on our website, and then I will send the Zoom link to you. That's next Tuesday at 10:30. We also have our Find Paige the Pelican, or Where in the World is Paige the Pelican, going on. And that is an event where we have a decal of Paige the Pelican, so our mascot, hidden around town. So either Windsor, Severance, or West Greeley. And there are clues as to where Paige might be hiding, at what store on our website. And if you go to that store and see Paige, then come to the library. We'll get you a small prize for finding her. And then we can also get you a lawn sign that says, I found Paige the Pelican, when the whole thing is done. Any questions, you can email me, Andrea at clearviewlibrary.org. Let's get our clapping hands out and say goodbye. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say goodbye as high as we can. Goodbye! Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say goodbye as low as we can. Goodbye. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say goodbye as fast as we can. Goodbye. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say goodbye as slow as we can. Goodbye. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say goodbye as quiet as we can. Goodbye. For those who might need it. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say goodbye as loud as we can. Goodbye! Thank you so much for coming to Storytime with me today. I miss you all. I hope to see you soon.